Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're going to be playing in some headband wigs. So these are all the rage all over social media and I've definitely bit the bait. This one comes courtesy of Eayon and they actually sent me 2 wigs, so this is definitely going to be a 2-in-1. As you guys can see, I'm going to start off with the body wave wig and it did come with a few different headband options. They also gave over some wig caps to use underneath your wig to protect your hair, and of course I'm going to show you exactly how it looks from start to finish. So straight out of the packaging you can see this is some nice body wave hair. I believe it's the Brazilian human virgin hair. That's a tongue twister. And you guys can see the construction of the cap. Instead of lace in the front, you have like this headband situation going on, and that's what you're going to use to wrap the wig around and secure it on your head. And as you guys can also see, this is what the inside construction of the cap looks like. I believe there's 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back. So all the prep you're gonna have to do is to adjust the straps. I like mine to be snug at the nape of my neck, so I usually will attach the elastic as tight as it can go in the back. Now I'm gonna set the wig aside and prep my natural hair. You guys have been telling me about this black edge control. This is my first real go at it. I tried it one time with like a huge glob and it was a mess, so I just put it away. This time I kind of like, you know, played with it and kind of seen what it would work like. Since I filmed this video, I've realized that I'm trying to, I guess, make my forehead smaller by pushing the hair forward and swooping the baby hair, and because I already have thin edges, it just doesn't work. So I've tried to do the same method by pushing it behind the hairline, and it definitely made a huge difference in making it look fuller. Now as far as the edge control goes, I definitely need some practice with it because as you guys see now and you'll see throughout the video, I'm not sold or convinced. I don't think this looks good on me, and I don't know, like I said before, when I try it behind the hairline it looks much better. So stay tuned for my next headband wig video and you'll see the progress, but I am determined to, you know, be able to slay my natural edges. So just bear with me as they grow back from postpartum shedding, and hopefully at some point I'll be comfortable. But you guys can see it doesn't really look that good. Like it doesn't make my hairline look thicker, it just makes a black cloud around it. Luckily it cleans up very easily, so I didn't have to worry about that. Now this is what the wig looks like on, and as I said before, these wigs are super simple and easy, and that's why I love them so much. They're almost like little quick weave wigs where they're super secure. I do the shake test where I kind of throw my head around in all different directions, see if it's gonna fly off, and it never does. Lately in quarantine, I've been utilizing these wigs for like my Target runs, my Costco runs, grocery store, Trader Joe's, and it's super easy to put on. I don't have to, like, you know, lay anything, glue anything, not to be glued anything. I literally pop it on. I add a headband around it, and usually I like to do like a little top knot bun and everything looks super good, or I can wear it down as is. Also, as far as the texture of hair goes, I'm happy that they put the nice human hair on it so that it will last and not tangle or shed like crazy. As you guys can see, I didn't really style the hair itself in these videos. The focal point was the headband wig and just how simple and easy it is for quick and easy hairstyles, you know, when you're on the go. But if you do want to go in and like style the actual hair, it definitely is heat safe, obviously, because it's human hair. So you can go ahead and, you know, straighten it. You can add some curls to it or whatever you choose. As you guys can see, they also sent over a few options of headbands. So I'm going to go from the yellow one to the blue one, and then we're going to go ahead and try on the next wig. So this is wig number 2, and as you guys can see, there are a ton of headbands in here, and we're going to get to those in just a moment. As I said before, this one is straight. It's actually their silky straight. Of course, both wigs are linked in the description box for you guys to check out, and this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. Same, you know, cap construction and all of that. We're going to go through and try it on, and then we're going to see about the headbands, and then I'll tell you all about my review and how I'm going to wear mine. As I always mention, when it comes to these headband wigs, you can use whatever headbands you have. Majority of us ladies already have a few selections in our stash at home already, but it does make it super convenient that they include a few in the packages. Now this wig did come with like 5 or 6 options, and I loved all of them. The only issue with this one is that these are a little bit too thin, so I will let them know you know, about that. And of course, as always, this company is great about like when they see, you know, customers and influencers, you know, try different products from them. If it doesn't work out, they definitely are great at, you know, updating their products with, you know, basically what works and what doesn't work. So I kind of got creative with this one, and I used 2 to be able to cover up that headband, and I absolutely love the way it came out. Okay guys, so we are back again with another headband wig. This one comes from a company by the name of Eayon. This is not the top. This is the top. This way. I like the fact that they use human hair on these wigs, so that way you don't have to really do too much. I feel like it gives you like quick weave vibes, or like a quick weave wig type of vibe, where you can easily just pop it on and go, except you can expose your natural hair to make it look a little bit more natural. Okay, so my TV was a little bit loud. Hopefully it wasn't too loud, but it's Lifetime Sundays. Hopefully it wasn't too loud. But yeah, this one gives kind of like quick weave vibes in the sense that you can like literally get your look together in like 10 minutes and be out the door, which is what I love most about this headband thing. Now for me personally, I've seen lots of beautiful ladies here slay them, and the difference between them and me is that I've got a huge forehead and I don't have a lot of hairline edges. As I mentioned in these videos and disclaimer to you guys, I did go through postpartum shedding, postpartum alopecia with my baby. She's turning 11 months and we hit postpartum shedding at 4 months. So I've had 3 kids in the last 5 years, and with each of them, when they turned 4 months, like my hair and the hairline literally just fell out. I thought it was something that you would only have with boys, but I had it with my son, and I also had the same issue with my 2 daughters. So my hairline, my edges are literally non-existent. You guys helped me out via my first video, my first headband video, and you guys told me to get a black edge control, and I did. So I literally hopped on Amazon, and within 5 minutes of getting that recommendation, I bought this one. I have it linked down below. It actually came in a 2-pack. I can't find the other one, but it did come in a 2-pack, and it was pretty affordable. So I'll have it linked down below for you guys. And with anything new that I try, and you guys have seen, when I try it for the first time, sometimes I don't exactly know what I'm doing. So this is my second time trying this. The first time I was just playing around, and I put like a lot, like I was scooping it out, like I would scoop edge control out, and I went ham, and it just looked retarded. So this time around I did a little bit, and I'm not gonna say I'm sold. Like, I almost prefer my natural edges than this, so I think I'm using it wrong. It's kind of like I want to do my edges the way I do them and just sprinkle a little bit of color on top to make it look a little bit thicker. Let me know what you guys think of these headband wigs. Are you with it? Are you not? I know it can be scary if you're like me and you have like a big forehead and thin edges, but you can definitely make it work for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Eayon. They have some amazing wigs. You guys know I work with this company often, so you guys can check out all the videos on my channel that I have with them. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!